But I would think like the probability would be 0.305
Yeah.
because 61 is the amount of purple.
Yeah. So the one that's highlighted, hold on. This one
Uh-huh.
is the probability. And then later on in the problem, she asks like how many purple blocks there are. So to find the purple blocks, we multiplied it by 10, and this is how many purple blocks there are based off.
Oh, okay.
And then if she looks for, or if she's asking for a percentage for the probability, we will multiply it by 100 to get the percentage. The
Okay.
0.305 by 100 to get 30.5%.
Okay, that makes sense. So it's just like an extra step because she asked that certain question.
Yeah, exactly. But if
Okay.
you're just looking for the probability alone, you can ignore this completely. So
Okay, that makes sense.
yeah. But since I know that she's gonna ask for the how many blocks there are later,
Mhm.
I just went ahead and solved for that.
Okay.
Mhm. So for the green, um, this is the probability. And then to find the percent of the probability instead of a decimal, in case she asked, we would multiply it by 100, and that gives us 69.5% chance of pulling a green.
Sorry if you can hear my parents, they're kind of loud talking downstairs.
Okay. So this is the probability. And then to find out how many, or to figure out how many blocks there are based off of the information that we have for green, we would multiply the 0.695 by 10 because we know there are 10 blocks. And that gives us, sorry, 6.95. And we can round that up. And that will give us 7 blocks, 7 green blocks. We all good?
Yeah, so multiplying it by 100 is finding the percent of pulling the color. Multiplying by 10 is finding out how many blocks.
Yes, and then I'll put here because we know.
Do you guys know if she's going to give us a reattempt of S10 or I 1.12 or I 12?
She's not.
I don't think not this quiz.
No? Okay.
Yeah.
Did you
And
guys get, because I didn't get those 2 questions on the last quiz.
I got, let me
I
see.
think I passed both.
I was so confused. I just put, I don't know how to solve this, and then I turned it in.
No.
No, I think I got them. Which one was it again? You said waffle?
It was the bowling one, question 3, and then the pizza excursion, question 4. But since she's not gonna go over give us that reattempt tomorrow, then I might just ask her in office hours because I don't want to take your guys' time.
Oh, you're fine. But yeah, I got an E on question 3, and question 4 I got an E as well.
Oh, okay.
I'm so surprised that I actually got an E, but I did.
No, Chloe, yes. I was not paying attention. Last week was a bad week. I was falling asleep and I didn't even show up to one of the classes.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I felt that.
Okay. So I'm gonna move on to question number or slide. Or are we all good with this problem?
Yeah.
Yes.
So if you go to slide number 21, that's the one that we didn't get a chance to go over in class. It's about selling gum.
Oh yeah, give me 1 second. I'm gonna go to the slide right now. You said 21, right?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. Totally forgot this was being recorded, but it's okay.
So for the problem, it's saying a store clerk is comparing sales number for cinnamon gum and mint gum over several different periods. What predictions might you make about sales given the following information about sales yesterday? So yesterday they sold 5 packs of cinnamon gums and 5 packs of mint gums. So what can we assume or what predictions can we make based off of that information?
I would say like there's a 50-50 chance.
Yep. It just stops sharing. I think my internet's bad right now. Hello? Oh no, hello?
We can hear you.
Okay, I was like, it disappeared.
Oh no, we can still hear you. You're good.
Okay, so I can't share my iPad, but it's okay. Yes, I think that was Wafa that said there's a 50-50, right? So based off of the information, okay. So based off of the information given, they've both sold. If we were to say there were 10 packs of gums sold, cinnamon sold 50%, and then the other 50% was mint. So Wafa was right. And then if we go to slide number 22, what can we say about the sales then?
What prediction might you make about sales last week? We can say about Starbucks comparing.
Do you guys want me to talk about this one and you guys can try to figure out slide 23?
I'm trying to figure out. I feel like, can we say like the sales of mint gum was 75% while the cinnamon gum was like about 25%? Because it's like, if you look at it, it's like that add up or no?
Yeah, well, no, like I was thinking that too, but it's 15 and not 25.
Yeah.
But you could say it's about like 75%, or like maybe
It was like
like
85, but then not add up. 85 plus 15.
or you could just say that mint sold more than 50%.
So then how you can say that, but if I were to ask you what is the probability that someone might buy cinnamon tomorrow based off of last week's sales, what would you tell me?
Voice.
So think about the previous problem, or not the block one, the purple and green blocks. How did we solve for the probability of the purple block?
Oh, maybe we could add 75 plus 15 and then divide 15 by the total of that.
Yeah.
And then okay, I'm gonna do that. Hang on, let me see real quick. Let me plug that in. So let's do probability of cinnamon. It adds up to 90, right?
Yeah. So it'd be like 16.16. Then we could like multiply that by 100. And then that would be about 16% probability of
So the probability, if she's looking for a percentage, I would say it's 16.67%. So there would be a 16.67% chance that someone will buy cinnamon instead of mint based off of last week's sales. Then how would you find a probability of of mint sales then?
You would do 75
Divided by 9.
over the 90.
And that gives you
That would be 0.833. What just keeps going. So then it'd be like about 83%, 84%.
I would say it's 83.3.
Okay.
Mhm.
Keep it like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Round up. I feel like she might be kind of
Picky on it.
picky with that because 84 and 83 is different, like completely different. But you guys understand why you have to add both, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
Because you want to know the total, obviously.
So that's the total number of sticks of gums that we sold.
Mm-hmm.
And then let's go on to slide number 23.
All right.
How would you solve for the probability for cinnamon flavored gum?
So for that one, you would do 225 plus 50,
Mm-hmm.
275. So then you would do probability. You said for cinnamon, right?
Uh-huh.
Then you would do 50 over 270, which gets you, let's see.
275.
Yeah, I like didn't finish it, so I was like writing something down, my bad. So that got you 0.18
Uh-huh.
and multiply that by 100, right? Because we want the percentage.
Mm-hmm.
And then I got 18.18.
Mm-hmm.
Should I round it to like 18.2?
Yeah, you can do that. So the probability of selling cinnamon is what percent?
18.2%.
Exactly. And then for mint,
And then for mint, let me just write that down real quick. You would do 225 over 275. 0.81, and then multiply that by 100. 81.81.
mm-hmm.
Like 81.8 then, or do you have to put the 0.81?
So if you plan on keeping the other one as as 18.2%, then keep it as one decimal place. The other problem and the other answer as well. So it would be 81.8 because 81.8 plus what was it? 18.2
Yes.
equals 100%. Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. I just checked right now. It does.
Yeah.
That's
That's
a lot.
it. So you can say based off of that last month's sales, the probability of selling cinnamon flavor is 18.2%. And then the probability of selling mint flavor is 81.8%.
Yes.